It will be an AI program that will be put into hospital settings.
AI meets healthcare innovation. Bluffton High School's introduction to AI class is shaping the future of healthcare one project at a time. Students are showcasing the innovative ways they're using artificial intelligence to tackle real-world healthcare challenges.
We estimate our AI will save the lives.
This project was to take a healthcare problem and take AI and make a solution or build awareness for it.
How we actually plan to use AI to help breast cancer.
Students are presenting their projects to healthcare professionals and representatives from the district's Career and Technical Education Department. They're sharing their research and explaining how they used AI to design solutions.
Our topic was muscle tears within seniors, and what we did with this topic is we created an app that creates specific workout plans for seniors that will help reduce the risk of muscle tears and, in essence, falls as well.
Our topic was breast cancer, and we had AI in a couple different ways. For number one, we had it to find underprivileged communities or underscreened communities to kind of pinpoint, oh, this community needs extra help with screening. And on the other side of it, once we actually had the data, to find places that are underprivileged to actually look at why it's underprivileged or what they can do to help, and look at imaging of like mammograms to breast MRIs.
My topic in this project was asthma, and I used AI to create a risk level associated with your environment. Asthma is most common in ages 12 and under, and kids gain trauma within their lungs, which eventually causes asthma due to pollutants. So using this AI to create a risk level just prevents that from the start. Which is why our AI is based in Beaufort.
The healthcare professionals are impressed by the creativity and thoughtfulness behind each project.
I think everything has an application, AI being so relatively new to the industry. I mean, the possibilities are limitless at this point. I was joking with a teacher beforehand. I had an Excel class when I was in high school, and these kids are talking about, social determinant screening and being able to, detect advanced diseases and things like that. So there's a million different directions they can go, and everything was very plausible and very well thought out.
When creating their projects, students had to think critically about how to effectively apply AI.
AI has all kinds of different levels of ability, specifically machine learning, deep learning, some of the things that we looked at with the healthcare unit. So like in hospitals, there's AI that can scan images and do thousands of them with higher accuracy than a human being can. It can sort data, it can do all kinds of fun things that aren't simply just talking in ChatGPT, large language model that you're just talking to. So that was one of the biggest things we have the kids do, is look at all the types of AI and how it can be useful and create end products and things like that.
Bluffton High is the only school in the district with an introduction to AI class, and is one of just 10 high schools in the state to offer the course.
So we created an app called Safe Steps.
At Bluffton High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
Personalized exercise plans tailored to the specific user's needs.